everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and hit on the setting and privacy and go through the settings. Now, from here, find out activity log. Then, on the top, you will see three options. Among them, choose activity history. Then, these are all of your activities that you have done in your Facebook. Simply hit on the three lines or three dots that is just beside the activity. Then, there you will see an option of delete. Hit on that, and then you are good to go. So in this way, you can easily delete Facebook activity log. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.